KidloLand.
Farmer for a day. Rachel the rabbit helped her grandpa on the family farm.
What do farmers do?
She asked. "Follow me," Grandpa said. He handed Rachel a big basket. Rachel followed her grandpa to the garden. "We grow and harvest food," Grandpa said. Rachel helped Grandpa pick fresh cabbages. Then Grandpa led her to the barn. Rachel followed with her basket full of cabbages. "We milk the cow," Grandpa said. Rachel helped Grandpa feed and milk the cows. Rachel even helped Grandpa gather some eggs and feed the chickens. Grandpa took Rachel back to the house where Grandma waited.
Did you have fun?
Grandma asked Rachel. Rachel replied,
Yes!
Rachel visits the doctor. Rachel the rabbit walked into the doctor's office with her mom.
But I'm not sick.
Rachel said, feeling confused. "It's called a checkup," Rachel's mom explained.
For what?
Rachel asked as the doctor lifted her onto the table. "First, I'm going to check your throat," the doctor said. So Rachel stuck out her tongue. "Now, I'm going to check your ears," he said. He looked in Rachel's ears with a little flashlight. "This will check your reflexes." The doctor's hammer tapped her knee. Rachel's leg kicked. "This will check your heart," the doctor said. Rachel stood still while he listened to her heartbeat. The doctor smiled. He gave Rachel a lollipop. Great checkup. Rachel pulled on the doctor's sleeve.
Thank you so much, doctor.
What do plumbers do? Rachel bent over to look under the kitchen sink.
Oh, what do plumbers do?
Rachel asked the plumber. "Well, I just fixed your leaking faucet," the plumber replied.
Mom will be so happy.
Rachel turned on the water. Rachel followed the plumber to the bathroom.
What else do plumbers do?
Rachel asked. "I'm putting in a new toilet," the plumber explained.
Ew!
Rachel said, and ran from the room. Rachel peeked back into the bathroom after some time.
Dad will be so happy!
Rachel flushed the new toilet.
What else do plumbers do?
Rachel asked. The plumber gave a big wrench to Rachel. "Can you help me fix the bathtub faucet?" he asked.
Sure!
Rachel said. She helped the plumber turn the wrench. "All fixed. You can take baths again," the plumber said.
I'm so happy. I'll get my rubber duck.
Rachel said. Rachel on patrol. Rachel was walking her pet dog Jack when his leash broke. Rachel tried to catch him, but he was too fast. Rachel ran to a police officer for help.
My dog ran away.
Rachel said. Well, let's find him, Officer Ken said. Rachel followed Officer Ken through the park. Think like a dog and go where he would go,
Let's go to the dog park.
Rachel said. But Jack wasn't at the dog park.
Let's go to the playground.
But Jack wasn't at the playground.
Let's go to the duck pond.
But Jack wasn't at the duck pond either. Officer Ken told Rachel, "Follow me. I have an idea." They found Jack at the burger stand waiting for treats.
You're the best police officer ever,
Rachel said happily. Rachel visits the fire station. Rachel wanted to be a fireman. One day, Rachel's uncle took her to a fire station. Rachel tried to lift the hose just like a fireman, but the hose was too heavy. Rachel tried on the fireman's jacket just like a fireman, but the jacket was too big. Rachel put on the fireman's helmet just like a fireman, but the helmet covered her eyes. Rachel tried on the fireman's boots just like a fireman, but the boots were too big and way too heavy. Rachel almost slid down the pole just like a fireman, but it was too high. Rachel's uncle took her for a ride in the big red fire truck. Finally, Rachel sounded the fire truck's horn just like a fireman.